What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and we finally got an exhaust for the 9th Gen Civic. Now it is used. I bought this off of Facebook, off of one of my friends that I saw that he posted it, so decided to pick it up from him. And I'm so sorry if the shot's kind of weird, but I've been trying to get this gimbal to work and it is not working out in my favor. I'm definitely going to have to keep my research up on that. So we're gonna go ahead and move the hatch out the way, and then we're gonna move in the white car and we're gonna install this exhaust real quick. It's gonna be a super easy install, shouldn't be that hard. I've already taken off this exhaust like 3 or 4 times, so super easy. I used to have the Mega RR Skunk too, but it was stupid loud. And I actually had this exhaust on my RSX Type S. If you look at some of my old videos, I think I have an install video on this exhaust for the RSX Type S. So let's go ahead, get this thing out the way and install this exhaust. You know, I absolutely love this quick release and the steering wheel. It feels so freaking good. It's like such a mature, like, I don't know how to explain it, man. It just feels so mature and grown up. I don't know. Like, the steering wheel is not like an energy steering wheel that is kind of like you know, that's just like not that well made. And this right here feels like really well made, and I really love that feeling. But let's get this car out the way. I absolutely freaking love the exhaust on this car. HKS exhaust is probably the best exhaust that I could have chosen for this car, and hopefully sooner rather than later we're able to do some install videos on this car. I know we haven't really done some hatch stuff. For the next couple of days and weeks to come, we're going to be focusing on my 9th Gen SI because it just hit 100,000 miles and I really want to show it the love that it needs. We're definitely going to be replacing the clutch. Ugh, goddamn, no power steering life. We're definitely going to be replacing the clutch on that car. We're definitely going to be replacing the rear main seal on that car. I believe we got some other parts. Ugh. This is harder than what it looks like, guys. Like, doing this shit with one fucking arm. Hold on. Okay, fighting with this damn steering wheel with one damn arm. Okay, so definitely got some things up my sleeve for the 9th Gen Civic that I hope y'all are excited about. So let's get this install going. So right now the car currently has a K-Tune catback, and we're definitely going to be able to hear the car a lot louder with this Invidia Q300. I love this exhaust because the Invidia Q300 is very subtle whenever you're just like driving it, but whenever you actually like put it to the metal, put the pedal to the metal, it's just like it gets super loud. It opens up. It's great. I love this exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and put the car on jack stands and get to work. So to take out the exhaust is actually pretty easy. It's 3 14mm bolts right here. This is gonna be able to slide off after you take off these right here. After that is basically nothing but hangers. So it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, nothing special. And I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, so just bear with me. There goes one. I had actually broken these loose, so don't think that they were already loose. There goes number 3. And now these over here. Ugh, I think those are actually 12. So, oh yeah, y'all remember whenever I hit that big ass rock in my oil pan? Yeah, this is it. Like, this is how bad it dented up my exhaust. So that's why I wanted to replace it to something a little bit nicer. So let me go ahead and take those off and then take off the exhaust. Damn, this shit sucks doing it with one hand. So, as you can tell, there's like a huge difference between the Invidia Q300 and the K-Tune catback. The diameter's obviously a lot bigger. This one's real sharp. I always cut myself with this one whenever I wash my car, and that's really annoying. But huge difference, bigger muffler, as you can tell, and obviously bigger piping all around. I think the biggest pain in the butt is just taking off all the exhaust hangers whenever you're under the car. But other than that, super easy install. All right, guys, so to make your job a lot easier and put in the exhaust, try to figure out like if you need to put your exhaust hanger in first or put it in on the actual body frame. It just makes it a lot easier for you to align it, and makes it a lot easier for you to like not have to carry the weight all the damn time. So on this one, I actually have to, you know, put it on the frame. And on this one over here, I had to actually put on the exhaust because it has this curve, so you don't want to be struggling for space right here, trying to like, you know, move it in and out and try to align it. So it's a lot easier just to put it on the exhaust, then onto the body frame, and right here is actually a lot easier just to put it in first and then onto the exhaust. So just a little quick example of what I can do. So I got everything mocked up, everything's lined up the way it should be. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten everything up. We did have to use the same exhaust gaskets that the guy gave us. Not that big of a deal. I already have some on order, and overall really easy install. And I mean, for used exhaust, it looks pretty good. Guys, don't think that you have to always buy new parts. You know, if you can't afford it, you can't afford it. And if there's a good deal around, just like this exhaust, I mean, you can't pass up on a good deal. So I'm gonna tighten everything up, and then I'm gonna give you a first start, a cold start, and some drive-bys, and then that should be it. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So if there's one thing that I love about this exhaust, is how quiet it is. Everything's basically mocked up, everything's good and tightened up. I'm gonna go ahead and let it run through a heat cycle, and then I'll give you a couple of revs. I'm gonna lift up the car and then take it out for a drive. Pretty quiet. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you liked the exhaust. And the next thing we're probably going to be doing is going to be the clutch on this car. And then I have a lot of new projects that I'm going to be doing to this car specifically, so I'm really excited to show you. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for watching.